The forest is very big and green. Two bears live in this beautiful forest. Their names are Barney and Ben. Barney is a big brown bear. Ben is a small black bear. They are best friends. It is a sunny morning. The bears want a new house. They look for a good place. First, they find a big green tree near a blue river. This is perfect, they think. Barney is very strong. He brings many long, heavy sticks. He also finds big gray stones for the walls. Ben is small and fast. He brings many dry yellow leaves and soft green moss. They work all day. Barney builds the tall walls. He uses the heavy sticks and stones. Ben cleans the floor and makes a soft bed. The house is very cozy. The new house has 2 small windows and 1 big red door. The sun goes down and the sky is purple. The bears are tired, but they are very happy. They have a big basket of sweet red apples. They eat their dinner near the new house. Now the house is ready. It is a warm and beautiful home for 2 friends. The stars are in the sky. The 2 bears go inside and sleep in their new house.